guys, thanks so much for coming to see another video. Yes, I know I look like a space queen or like a cloud goddess or something. I don't know. I'm just getting that sort of vibe and I'm living for it. I love it. If you guys are excited to see this look, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so this is going to be hopefully super cute. I want to kind of go pink and blue range because the backdrop obviously, oh, it is so wrinkly, Lord. I don't know, I just kind of want to do like a blue, pink, just fancy fairy-ish vibes because obviously I want to do clouds, so I want to try that out and see how it goes. I just feel like it should be really girly and cute, so that's what we're going for. So I have already put on a Shadow Insurance. This is by Too Faced. And I don't think I've ever used it before, so hopefully it'll do a good job. I've gotten it in my IPSY subscription a few months back, I believe, so we'll see how this goes today. Okay, so I'm using my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette, and I'm just using the lightest pink in there just to kind of set down a base and to get the pink going. And then I slowly, gradually work up the pink and I move to the corally color in that palette. And I think I'm using like a Morphe M441 or something like that. And then I switched to a 506. And I'm using a couple different palettes, all BH Cosmetics of course. And I really just went kind of crazy with the pinks and just put on a bunch of different ranges, different shades of it, just to kind of see where I wanted to go with it. And it didn't go exactly how I was planning. I really wanted it to go to like a pink, to a purple, to a dark blue, but still happy with, you know, how it came out, so. And like I said, I just slowly work up the color. The 506 brush did really good with kind of building the color because it's gentle. It's not really like a stiff brush, and it also doesn't kind of like brush off the shadow if you've ever had issues with that. I know I have. This brush layered so many colors because I was really just trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And yeah, so that worked out really well. Once I got it to the gradient that I liked, I just started to kind of pack on that navy blue. And it just so much reminded me of like a night sky, I don't know, so really loving that. Then we went straight into concealer with my, I used my cut crease brush, which worked out really well. I started to use a different brush and then I was like, nope, we're going to stick with the same old. So that really helped me. And I just kind of, I didn't really look up tutorials on how to do this. I just kind of seen, you know, pictorials or whatever on Instagram, and I just kind of went with it. And yeah, we got clouds, honey. It's definitely one of those things where at first you're just like, this is a mess and I hate it and I'm going to take it all off. But then you just keep going and it just kind of pulls together, which a lot of my looks end up like that. I just have to tell myself, keep going. Because it will pull together in the end, and then each time you do it, you'll get better at it. So yeah, we just keep on adding clouds. I just picture this as like a nighttime sky. I'm like a really big like sky person. Like I love seeing clouds and I love seeing like sunsets. Of course everyone loves that, but I don't know, I'm just always that person to be like, oh, look at that cloud, or like, look at the sunset, it's pink, or whatever. Like, that's just me. I'm in love with like what the sky does. It's just amazing creation, and yeah, so I just picture this as like a night where the clouds are just everywhere and it's just so chill, peaceful. That's the vibe I get, so yeah. You guys, I am dying over this. I want to add stars now. I do. Then I just took my liquid liner and just kind of drew on crosses, sideways, X's, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, it worked. Hello, we're back. Okay, time to do this under eye. So let's just start with this pink. Obviously, I already did my face makeup and contour. So I'm taking some Maybelline Master Chrome on this little smudge brush, putting that in the inner corner. Which this is so perfect because it has reflex of pink. Almost gives me like spacey vibes. I've been watching this show on Netflix called One Strange Rock, and they have like the astronauts that have been to space kind of talk about like what they've seen and how awesome our planet is. And I've just been feeling like a little space cadet, you know what I mean? I have a new little Bare Minerals setting spray from my IPSY, and I needed to use this, so we're gonna wait for this to dry. That sprayer is not the best. And then look at this adorable little brush I got from my IPSY subscription. This is of course Slim Mist GLAM. I never know if I'm saying that right, I'm sorry. But yeah, their brushes are completely adorable. I didn't shake the setting spray, and I see these little spots. I don't like that. Highlight. Okay, I'm gonna do the finishing touches, basically my lips, and I'll be right back for final look. Alright you guys, and that is it for this look. I hope you guys absolutely love it. I feel like a galaxy queen, space queen. I don't know how that came about when I'm doing clouds, but yeah, I just kind of get that vibe. And then I thought this purple lip went really good. You guys should see this purple. It is a Ruby Kisses, like a velvet matte. This color is called Wonderland, and it is bright, so bright. Look how bright this color is. And then I put that on top of the NYX Lingerie liquid lipsticks, and this is in the color Embellishment, I believe. Yeah, so adorable combo. I'm absolutely living for it. This highlight's popping. And yeah, hope you guys love it. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this content. And love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I was actually going for fairy vibes. Somehow it turned spacey. I'm okay with it. I don't know how I'm going to go to bed tonight because I don't want to take this look off. By the way, do you guys like my nails? Living again. I'm living all the time. If you can see your highlight through a blurry camera, you have a winner.